Hi guys, it's me, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to Chicken Week. This week we're gonna start off with a Mexican chicken noodle soup, Sopa de Fideo. It is so easy and so good. You're gonna love this. Then tomorrow we are going to make a Colombian chicken stew with drumsticks and potatoes, which is also super easy and very, very good. On Wednesday, we will make some chicken fajitas. This will be a remake from an older video I have that is very popular and it's just very good. So I decided to remake it. On Thursday, we're gonna make a rice and chicken, Puerto Rican rice and chicken. Also easy and very good. And finally, on Friday, we're going to have a beautiful lime and garlic roasted chicken to end up the week. Before we do anything, I would love if you would please subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. And let's make this. We are going to make a sofrito for our soup. I'm gonna add a 28-ounce can of peeled tomatoes into my blender. That is, guys, 794 grams. Guys, if you don't have a very powerful blender, you might want to use diced tomatoes or just chop these. We don't want chunks inside the soup, right? This is going to be the base of our soup. I'm going to put a piece of bell pepper in here. Let's call this a quarter of a large bell pepper, okay? It doesn't really matter. I got about half a cup of cilantro. I'm keeping the stems. 6 garlic cloves. And half of a small onion. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper. As always, chili optional. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chile ancho powder in here. You can also just throw in a chili, you know, a jalapeño, a serrano, whatever you want, or nothing. I'm gonna go blend this and I'll see you. I'm gonna heat a little oil in this pan. I would like you to get about 1/3 of a 1-pound package of angel hair pasta out. Eyeball it, doesn't have to be exact. We're just gonna break this into pieces. Let's say in four, okay? We're gonna toast this pasta. Don't let it burn. I'm going to add that sofrito to this. It might splatter, so be careful. So I cook this for a minute, stirring constantly, okay? I'm going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. Because this is better than bouillon. You can use boxed chicken broth if you want. I'm going to add 4 chicken thighs that are boneless, skinless, and I cut into thirds. All right, now we're going to let this come to a boil and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the chicken and the pasta are cooked through, especially the chicken though, that's more important. And yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, huh? This, my friends, is ready. Wasn't that easy? What, 30 minutes? Dinner's ready. This is so, you know, satisfying and comforting and beautiful for your body and your soul. Let's serve it. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cilantro leaves on here. That's more for color than anything. I'm also gonna add some cubed avocado. Look at that beautiful soup. And I really honestly wish you guys could come over here and smell it because it is amazing. Let's eat. I'm gonna put some lime juice in here. Guys, that soup, it's so rich in flavor. You have those flavors from the spices and the lime. This is a very big winner. delicious. Mmm.